Good morning, dear students. In yesterday period, we were discussed about introductory part of is matter around us pure. At that time, discussed the definition of matter and what is meant by pure substance. It means a substance that consists of only a single type of constituent particle is called pure substance. Examples are gold and water. My dear students, based upon the nature of constituent particle, pure substances can be classified into two types: elements and compounds. Elements mean they are made up of only one type of a pure substance, and totally 118 elements are present in our modern periodic table, and elements can be broadly classified as three types: metals, non-metals and metalloids. Yes, and their characteristics. Afterward, the definition of compound. A compound is a substance composed or form composition of more than two elements chemically combined with one another in a fixed proportion, that is termed as a compound. Examples are water, methane gas, carbon dioxide gas, ammonia, sodium chloride, etc. Afterwards, the definition of mixture. Mixtures are constituted by more than one kind of a pure form known as a substance. Examples are seawater, minerals, soil, etc. are all mixtures. Next, types of mixtures. My dear students, depends upon nature of the component of that form mixture. We have two types of mixtures. First one is homogeneous mixture and second one is heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture means a mixture in which the constituents are uniformly distributed throughout. Yes, it means uniformly distributed. It is termed as a homogeneous mixture. It means we people are same, a clear boundary of what a separation. Examples: salt solution, sugar solution, soft drinks, air, petroleum products, biogas, alloys, etc. Afterwards, heterogeneous mixture. A mixture that does not have uniform composition. It means has a visible boundaries of separation between its constituent is called a heterogeneous mixture. Example: sugar and sand mixture, salt and sand mixture, polluted air, muddy water, etc. Afterwards, differences between compounds and mixture. Yes, all of you already know the definition of compound. It means their definite elements are present in definite ratio, that is form what a compound. Mixture means a substance is mixed in any ratio. Yes. Today, let us see what is mean by solution. What is mean by solution? What is mean by solution? Yes, my dear students, solution is termed as homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is called solution. Yes, a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is called solution. Yes, my dear students. First of all, homogeneous means the constituents are uniformly distributed. Constituents are uniformly distributed. Yes, here a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is called a solution. A solution is sometimes also called a true solution. Lemonade, soda water, salt water, sugar solution, etc. all are the examples of solution. Yes, my dear students. Example, salt solution, sugar solution, salt solution, sugar solution, soda water, okay, etc. These all are termed as what? A solution. Yes, my dear students. Here a homogeneous mixture of two or more in a salt solution. Take an example, salt solution. Yes, homogeneous mixture of what here? Water plus salt. It means an entire salt is dissolved in a water, that form water, salt solution. Is it clear? Yes, my dear students. In a solution, there is a homogeneity at the particular level. That is, the particle of dissolved substances are evenly distributed in solution and are form one another. Yes, my dear students. First of all, here individual particles are what often distributed or dissolved where in an solution. What is termed as here, my dear students? A universal solvent. Yes, it means a sugar or salt. Sugar and salt both are what form a salt solution as well as sugar solution. It means sugar is added in water. Yes, that form water, a water solution. Yes. There are two main components of a solution. First one is solvent. Components of solution. Yes, first component is solvent. Component is solvent and second component is solid. Second is solid. Solvent and solid. Yes. Solvent means what? First of all, it is termed as a dissolving phase. A dissolving phase is solvent and solute is dissolved phase. Yes, dissolved phase. Yes, first my dear students, all of you reminded what is solvent. First of all, solvent is nothing but water. It is termed as a dissolving phase and solid is termed as water. It is an dissolved phase. Yes, let us see one by one. First one is solvent. First one is solvent. Yes, the definition of solvent. The component present in the components of the solution that dissolve the other component in it is called the solvent. Yes, my dear students, what happened here? Component, it means present in a larger amount of the solution that dissolve the other component in it is called solvent. Yes, the component the component of the solution that dissolves the other component in it is called solvent. Yes. It means totally said to be water. Solvent means a dissolving phase. Okay, it means capacity of dissolving in it, that is termed as a solvent. Yes, my dear students. Second one is solid. Yes, solid means the component of the solution that is dissolved in the solvent. Yes, the component of the solution. The component of the solution that dissolved in the solvent is called solute. Yes, my dear students, it means it is termed as what? A dissolved phase. Yes, it means the component of the solution that dissolve in the solvent. It means a dissolved particles are termed as what? A solute. A dissolving phase is termed as what? A solvent. Yes. Let us see once again. What is solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is called a solution. Here components of solutions are, first one is solvent and second one is solute. Solvent is termed as a dissolving phase and solute is termed as a dissolved phase. Yes, solvent means the component of the solution that dissolve the other component in it is called solvent. Yes, solute means the component of the solution that dissolved in the solvent is called solute. Yes, my dear students. Here some common examples of solution. In sugar solution, sugar is solute and water is solvent. Let's take an example of a solution. Take an examples of solution. Example solution. Which solution? Sugar solution. Yes, my dear students, here sugar is solute. Yes, water is solvent. Yes, totally termed as water. It means a solid particle is dissolving where in an solvent they can form a sugar solution. Is it clear? Take another example. Second example. Example 2. Example 2. Aerated drinks like soda water. Okay, aerated drinks. Aerated drinks. Aerated drinks. Yes, here gas in liquid solution, it is termed as what? A gas in liquid solution. Here CO2 as solute, CO2 gas is solute, CO2 gas is termed as what? A solute, and water as a solvent, water as a solvent. As what they can form? Can form aerated drinks. Aerated drinks, it means soft drinks, soft drinks, soft drinks. Is it clear? These are the best examples of a solution. Yes, my dear students. Now let us see properties of solution. Next point, properties of solution. Yes, here first of all, the first property of solution is a solution is a homogeneous mixture. Solution is homogeneous mixture. Why? Because the constants are uniformly distributed throughout. That's why a solution is termed as a homogeneous mixture. And second, the particle of a solution are smaller than 1 nanometer in diameter. It means they cannot be seen with our naked eyes because they are smaller. It means 10 raised to minus 9 meter. 10 raised to minus 9 meter, approximately 1 nanometer. That's why cannot be seen with our naked eyes. That is the second property of solution. Yes. Third one, due to very small particles, they do not scatter a beam of light passing through the solution. So, path of light is not visible in a solution. Why? Because, my dear students, here particles are very small, and they do not scatter a beam of light where in a solution. Therefore, the path of light not visible in a solution. Yes. And last property, a solution is stable. Solution is termed as what? Stable. The solid particle do not settle down when left undisturbed. The solid particle cannot be separated from the mixture by the process of filtration. Yes, my dear students, solid particle already dissolved in water. That's why solid particle cannot be separated from the mixture by the process of filtration. Yes, my dear students, after discussing about properties of solution, next see concentration of a solution. Concentration of a solution. Concentration of solution. Yes. The concentration of a solution is the amount of solute present in a given amount of solution, or the amount of solute dissolved in a given mass. Yes, my dear students. First of all, concentration of a solution means it is the is the amount of solute present in a given amount of solution, Yes, my dear students, what is the definition of concentration of a solution? It is the amount of solute present in given amount of a solution, that is termed as a concentration of a solution. Depending upon the amount of solute present in a given amount of solvent, it is classified as water. First of all, saturated solution, and second one, unsaturated solution. Yes, classification. Yes, classified into how many types? Classified into two types. First one is saturated solution, and second one unsaturated solution. Yes, let us see. First one, our first type of a concentration of a solution is saturated solution. Yes, saturated means a solution in which no more amount of solvent can be dissolved at a given temperature. Yes, a solution in which no more amount of solvent can be dissolved at a given temperature. Is called saturated solution. Yes, my dear students, it means a solution in which no more amount of solvent can be dissolved at a given temperature. It is termed as what? Saturated solution. Yes, the amount of solute present in the saturated solution at this temperature is called solubility. Yes, it means solubility is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solvent into 100. Yes, solubility means what? The amount of solute present in saturated solution at this temperature is called a solubility. Yes, my dear students. Yes, next unsaturated, second type of a concentration of solution is unsaturated solution. Unsaturated solution. is unsaturated solution. If the amount of solid contained in a solution is less than saturation level, there it means in a saturated no more amount of solution can be dissolved at a given temperature, but here the amount of solid contained in a solution is less than a saturation level is called unsaturated solution. Yes, the amount of solute contained in a solution is less than the saturation level is called unsaturated solution. It means it is equal to amount of solute divided by amount of solvent. Yes, my dear students, it means first definition, what is saturated? A solution in which no more amount of solvent can be dissolved at a given temperature is called as saturated.